This is an Ironman Bushman, and right now we're talking about World Festival of Black Arts. You know what I say? And for I, you know what I say, the black culture, the black roots is something that keep I and I still with a firm meditation. Over the years, the folklores of the man called Robert Nesta Marley, Marcus the Messiah Garvey, the Bias, Martin Luther King, name it, has been a great influence. Peter Tosh, the world of reggae has been a great influence on my life. Black world, black people. This is an Ironman Bushman. And it will be a great pleasure for I and I to be in Suriname this time around in December on this World Festival of Black Art. You know what I say? And for I, it's all great to be black and proud to be black because I am comely. Yeah, and do check out my website. You see what I say? Bushman-music. And you can catch me on the MySpace, www.myspace/BurningBushesMusic. The new CD out, get it in your mind, you get what I say? And just catch it. Downtown, I love when rain a fall. Uptown, flood out. World Festival of Black Arts. Black and comely. You see what I say? Festman 2009. You see what I say? Blessed love, Rastafari.